Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a quick update. I'm not going to Alex's house today. They're just clearing the trees and sticks and stuff out of the way so we can start rebuilding his house. But we are in full swing of collecting the donations still. Uh, our goal is 15,000 and we're at about $6,000 right now. So amazing. You guys are insane. It's so crazy. Of course, this is my community. This is my family. Alex has been there for me so often. I mean, you guys saw his little car that got smashed. Well, I remember sometimes my car broke down, and he came in the middle of the night and towed me home with that little car. He's been there for me so many times. I mean, one time I just said my tire was messed up, and so Kevin. So he just showed up at my house, said, "Give me your keys." Took it to the mechanic, came back later. I was like, wow. He's always there. He won't take money or anything. He's just, the whole village is always there. I've been here 2 years. This is my family now. This is my little community. A lot of you, well, not a lot, like one or two troll comments, I guess you call it. They say, "Oh, don't donate to YouTubers, donate to local charities and churches or whatever. They're going to help." I'd love to do that. I'd love to not make these videos. This is a scuba diving channel, marine biology. I'd love to not do that at all. But there is no charities here. If I waited on a charity to help my brothers and sisters, it would just never happen. That's just irresponsible. If you're in a position to help and you have a platform to help, I don't care who you are, you should be doing it. If I relied on the government to come here, I mean, they got their hand full just trying to get the electricity on. It could be months. So it's just not possible, man. And I don't know what kind of person I would be if I went down there, looked at all the devastation, homeless people sleeping and cooking and doing everything outside because their houses are smashed, food and water running out, stuff like that. Seeing all that and then not doing something, I don't know who could be that heartless. I don't know. I don't hang out with anybody like that. So I got no. Kevin is freaking out. He's having fun. Anyways, this is my platform. I gotta take care of my community. Hopefully other foreigners in other parts of the country are taking care of their community. So Alex is just a really good guy, man. I mean, I'm down there. He would never ask for help. But I went there yesterday. You guys saw the video. And his wife, when the camera's not on, she just come and give me a big hug, crying, "Thank you so much for helping us." And, his daughters almost died. That's how, we can't let it happen again. It just can't happen again. So here's the plan for the money. And I'll document it every step of the way so you know where it went. We're not just going to rebuild him a house. And by the way, shout out to Brian Davies. He said, he announced that he'll match every donation up to $2,000, and he already has. We have $6,000 now, and it's a lot thanks to him and thanks to you guys. I mean, by the way, stop sending me messages saying, "I'm sorry, this is all I can donate. I'm sorry, this is all I have." Stop. Don't be sorry. I mean, it just makes me sad. I would rather get $10 for somebody that doesn't have any money than $10,000 from a millionaire. It means so much more. Don't feel bad, you guys. I get every message is like, "I wish I could donate more." Don't feel bad. You guys are awesome. You need to pat yourself on the back because it's easy for me to help this village. I live here. I see it. They're my community, but it's not yours. You guys are literally anonymously helping somebody in a foreign country that you'll never met. You guys are amazing. It puts a tear in my eye and Alex, man. Alex is overwhelmed. Kevin. I don't know how to describe it, man. Are you guys you guys are making this happen. So here's the plan. We're not just gonna build him a new house with crappy roof. We're gonna build an extension and we're gonna make it bomb proof, weatherproof. I don't know, maybe in Florida they call it a storm shelter. So his family's always gonna be safe because there's 20 typhoons a year and there's a lot of other storms. We want him to be safe. I can't take the chance again of his kids almost dying. That would just be, I'm not just gonna go there. Oh look, I bought some metal. I'll put it on the roof and be done. Make a video. We're gonna make the storm house, and his house is in the middle of this community, this village. It's kind of like the hub. You know, they got a little sorry store on the side where they sell rice and stuff, and everybody goes there. Can I have some rice? I'll pay you another day, and they never do. You know, and they're always helping everybody. In fact, some foreigners went down there and gave Alex a bunch of first aid kit because everybody goes to Alex's house when they need something. So anyway, we're going to rebuild it in a way that other families can go there too when they see the storms coming. Not just Alex's family. It's going to be like a community storm shelter. I know I said that in my last video, so that might be you already heard. But I'm going to be documenting it for now on over the next however long it takes. Once we know how much money we have. We already have an architect down there that is donating his time and telling me how to do it, what supplies we need. We already have some of the cement stuff. You saw the last video. But thank you guys so much. I mean, you're helping me out. You're helping these unfortunate people out that can't do anything. Filipinos are so friendly and happy. They won't ask for anything for themselves. I just don't know what to say. What kind of person would I be if I saw my neighbors and my family and my friends struggling and not try to help? So that is what it is. So thank you guys so much. It's just a quick update. I'll get back to it tomorrow. We're gonna start getting more supplies and stuff. Yeah. And yes, to the one hater that was mad because I got a haircut during all this, our friends, and mixed of all this, one of our friends had a wedding on Saturday and they made me get a haircut, and I had to find a tie. I didn't even know I owned a tie, so I'm sorry I spent 40 pesos on a haircut, but oh well, can't please everybody. See you guys later.